Greetings friends, welcome to the introduction phase of the video before we get into the interesting stuff. When we were down in Las Vegas, we decided to take a tour of the Hoover Dam. We did the fancy tour where you get to go in and wander around inside it a little bit. And at one point, we got to go down a inspection / airflow tunnel that runs from the middle of the dam out to the outer wall. And when you get to the edge, there's a big grate, and you can look out and actually see this spectacular view of the canyon and the mountains and the bridge. And it's really neat because you are basically on the face of Hoover Dam at that point. So this is the little bit of lead up to that tunnel.
Well, it's not there, look up. It's not there, look up. It's just an inspection tunnel, it goes about 150.
Don't show that to my husband.
Look up.
I'm paying attention to,
Just look up
there's
here.
just nothing
Right
happening.
next to
We're
my
cool. This is good. Would have been better if none of you had said anything, but that's alright.
Oh, Grandma. Don't lose your camera, but you need to take pictures. 286.
Inspection tunnel goes about 150. Look up, there's nothing there.
Exactly. There's nothing there. We don't need to think about it or acknowledge its
Alright guys,
existence.
get on the right, out on the right, please stay
Right.
to the right.
Right. Pat,
You're on
move
the
to the
right.
right, and we take turns. That's the turnaround.
Very good.
And that's the different direction. Wow. And I thought the view from outside was cool.
Been there and done that, right? Because we're being patient and waiting on trying to get up there. Nope.
A lot more.
You're taking a video right now?
Maybe.
You're right in my face.
There's not exactly a lot of room to not be in your face.
Tony, remember our cattle? Oh, you remember the cattle pass in Albany? It was
what?
done like this too, and it had all the wood grain in it.
You're in the way.
Get out.
Watch mine foot. Oh,
Water.
Don't drop your phone, Ma.
I'm not gonna drop my phone.
hey, Ma. She'll say, "Quit buzzing." Make sure you try to get a up one. That boat is still down there, Will. I wonder if that's some kind of tour raft.
Probably just tours that come in and out.
Yeah, and I don't think the shutters are.
Yeah, that's not gonna
something we
happen.
wanna mess with. Will?
Sorry to interrupt the video, but I have to interject something here. You'll notice that we're almost at the end of the tunnel now, and I'm going to shove my phone out the grate to get a fantastic view of the dam. The tour guide actually recommended when you get to the grate, put your phone out there and look up with your phone, and you'll be able to see this really interesting view of the dam face as it slopes up. She also warned us that if you drop your phone, it is gone forever because it, there's nothing down there except water and cement. So if you drop it, it's gone. And I don't know what happened here, quite honestly, but I completely lost video. I didn't edit this. That is where the video ended. As far as I can tell, I managed to somehow hit the stop button as I was fiddling around with my phone to get it out and facing up. So I don't have the actual video of the dam face, which is a bummer because I think that would have been really cool to see. But that's the way things go, I guess. The interesting thing is, though, I somehow managed to turn the video back on, so I missed literally just that one interesting part, and now we get to resume from where I dropped off. And back we go. I'm really looking forward to that part that doesn't exist again.
I want to shine a light down it. Oh, Dad.
What?
I want to see too. Oh, it's not very strong though. Oh, I see a reflection.
She had a really good flashlight.
But I'm still gonna look.
Okay.
You can see the light way down though, Jones.
Yep, that's nice. Moving on.
That's almost as cool as looking up in the wind generator.